Hello and welcome. We are excited you've chosen to join us today as we give you a tour and share with you who we are, what we do, and how partnering with Orantech can benefit you and your company. Orantech is the leading manufacturer of top-quality, compatible medical cables and parts in the world. We are also building the most complete after-sales solution to make the purchasing and distribution of medical cables, sensors, and parts simple, fast, reliable, and cost-effective. Our medical products are guaranteed to meet or exceed the OEM standards. We are investing significant resources in IT development and infrastructure to create the most efficient medical equipment replacement solution in the healthcare after-sales market. Orantech's team of leading talent in biomedical technology, electrical, mechanical, and material engineering, equipment knowledge, quality control, and manufacturing practices are committed to ensuring the patient's safety required by the high standards of the healthcare marketplace. Our FDA-registered facilities meet all the international standards for medical manufacturing, including TÜV ISO 13485, 2016. Our products have FDA 510K clearance, as well as the corresponding CE certificates. Top equipment housed in a clean and climate-controlled environment promotes the research, development, testing, and production of safe and reliable products that ensure continuous customer satisfaction. Our processes are governed by an integrated set of data-driven systems that make Orantech a smart and global company of the 21st century. These include our ERP, PDM, supply chain management, product and equipment QR code systems that enable us to track every product for full compliance, top quality, and efficient distribution worldwide. We are a diverse team of knowledgeable, talented, passionate, and caring individuals who are committed to partnering with you to help solve the challenges of the healthcare industry around the world. Visit our manufacturing facility in Shenzhen, China, or our U.S. office in Irvine, California, and experience firsthand our products guaranteed to perform precisely as the original. Orantech, the difference you can sense. For more information, visit us at orantech.com.